A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is kindness, the currency of infinite returns. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where wealth is measured in numbers, there exists a currency more enduring than gold and more unifying than any treaty. Kindness. It is given freely, yet its value multiplies beyond measure. It costs nothing to offer, yet its dividends ripple across generations, cultures, and even unseen dimensions. It transcends age, language, and borders, speaking directly to the most human part of every being, the heart. Modern science affirms what ancient seers knew intuitively. Kindness transforms both giver and receiver. Neuroscience reveals that acts of kindness release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which lowers stress, strengthens immunity, and deepens trust between people. Psychology confirms that compassionate actions increase happiness not only in those who receive them but also in those who witness them. A ripple effect known as moral elevation. Ancient wisdom echoes these truths. Across civilizations, kindness was never seen as mere sentiment. It was revered as a force, an energy aligning the human spirit with cosmic order. The Vedic principle of Rita, the harmonious law governing the universe, teaches that every generous act resonates with the subtle architecture of existence. In the Tao, kindness flows like water, nourishing without asking. In Buddhist thought, metta or loving kindness is cultivated as a conscious practice to dissolve the illusion of separation. Kindness is not weakness. It is active strength, a deliberate choice in the face of indifference, conflict, or fear. It is a strategic investment in trust, understanding, and cooperation, which are the true engines of human progress. Many of history's most defining movements were shaped not only by innovation or power, but by individuals who choose integrity, empathy, and fairness when they could have chosen otherwise. What's the way forward? If kindness is the most accessible and renewable resource, then it can be consciously woven into the structures of education, governance, and daily living, not as a moral ornament, but as a guiding principle. In education, shape minds in knowledge and hearts in empathy. In business, let kindness influence fair trade, ethical employment, and meaningful community engagement. In governance, measure policies not only by efficiency but by their capacity to uphold dignity and reduce suffering. This is not utopian, it is deeply practical. Every act of genuine kindness is a seed of trust, and trust is the soil from which lasting societies grow. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the measure of a life is not in possessions amassed, but in goodwill planted, hope rekindled, and dignity restored. As Lord Krishna reminds in the revered Bhagavad Gita, whatever action is performed by a great soul, the world follows. Whatever standards they set, the world pursues. Choosing kindness is setting such a standard. It is like the light of a star born in a silent corner of the cosmos, yet traveling across the vastness of time and space to touch distant worlds. So too, a single act of kindness can move unseen through the fabric of life, crossing hearts, bridging divides, and leaving a glow that endures far beyond the movement. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.